Hi guys, Dave Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Today we're going to be looking at the rg100 Pro. This is a brushless motor drone. It's a folding drone, camera drone. That has optical flow. There's no GPS on this one. But anyway, let's do a flight test and check out the video and picture taking quality. Do a couple snapshots. Enough talking, let's get it in there and see what it can do. Thanks for watching, guys. Here we go. Silky smooth. Look at that. That is nice. We'll have 3 speeds even. Should be able to fight the wind, no problem. Wow, look at it go. That is zippy. Nice fast spin too. Alright, man, that's a good flyer. Alright, let's start the video. Nice. Very cool. Not too shabby. Alright, we'll stop the video. We'll take a couple still shots. Video stopped. Taking a couple still shots. Okay, now let's just go for a fly. I got behind the trees, I couldn't see where I was going. We got her. How exciting was that? The breeze is picking up there, wanting to carry me away. See behind that tree there when I was back there. Nice drone. This thing flies so smooth. Wow. Alright, let's bring her down and see if we can't do some 360 flips. See what that's like. Get down here where you can see it good. There we go. You ready? Let me find the right button. Oh boy, I don't know. There it is. I found it. Oh, nice. Very cool. Flipped in all directions. Look how smooth that thing runs. Very quiet. Suppose I could show you the optical avoidance, how that works. Maybe. Oh, this one maybe has a different way to turn it on. I'll have to learn that. My bad. Look at that hovering. It's not GPS, it's just optical flow. Amazing. This is under $40. Brushless motors. 2 batteries with it. Can't beat it, guys. rg100 Pro. How about that? Silky smooth. There you have it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.